hospital, phone, farm, space, bank. AI is already there, in all of them. Most people think AI is something coming in the future. It's not coming. It's already here, right now, around you. And after this video, you'll never look at your daily life the same way again. I'm going to take you through 6 real places where AI is working right now. Some will shock you. Let's go. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where AI is being used today in healthcare, education, farming, transport, finance, and space. All real. All happening right now. Place 1. Hospitals. Doctors are using AI to detect cancer from scans faster and more accurately than humans. An AI called Google DeepMind detected eye disease in patients that doctors almost missed. AI doesn't replace doctors, it makes them superhuman. Place 2. Your phone. Every single day, your phone uses AI at least 10 times. Autocorrect, AI. Face unlock, AI. Google Maps predicting traffic, AI. Even the brightness adjusting automatically when you go outside, that's AI reading your environment. Your phone is a walking AI lab. And we haven't even left your house yet. Let's go bigger. Place 3. Farms. Farmers are using AI drones to scan thousands of acres of crops in minutes. The AI detects which plants are sick before the human eye can even see it. This means less wasted food, more efficient farming, and a planet that can feed more people. AI is literally fighting hunger. Place 4. Roads and transport. Self-driving cars use AI to see the road, predict other drivers' moves, and make split-second decisions. But it's not just cars. Google Maps uses AI to predict traffic jams 30 minutes before they happen. Every time you get a faster route, that's AI saving your time. Place 5. Your bank. Every time you make a payment, AI checks it in milliseconds for fraud. It compares your transaction to millions of patterns, and if something looks wrong, it blocks it instantly. AI has saved billions of dollars in fraud every single year. It's quietly protecting your money right now. Place 6. Space. NASA uses AI to control Mars rovers. Because signals take 20 minutes to travel from Earth to Mars, the rover has to make its own decisions, in real time, on another planet. AI is also scanning millions of telescope images, finding new planets humans would never spot manually. We are literally using AI to explore the universe. Quick recap. AI is in hospitals, detecting disease, in your phone, every single day, on farms, fighting hunger, on roads, saving your time, in banks, protecting your money, and in space, exploring the universe. 6 places, 1 technology, changing everything. Here's why this matters to you specifically. Every single industry you might work in, healthcare, finance, technology, farming, transport, is being transformed by AI right now. The students who understand this are going to walk into these industries ready. Not confused, not scared, ready. That's what this series is building in you. AI is not the future. It is the present. It is in your hospital, your phone, your food, your road, your money, your sky. And now, you see it. You now know where AI is used. But here's what most people still wonder. How does AI actually learn? Like, how does it go from zero knowledge to being smarter than humans at certain tasks? That's video 4, and it's one of the most fascinating things I'll explain in this entire series. Subscribe and drop a comment. Which of the 6 places surprised you the most? Let me know. See you in video 4.